Well, we finally got PhotoTex certified for latex. PhotoTex, without question, one of the biggest names in peel away. It's effectively, it feels like a fabric. This is the particular wall covering is the PhotoTex Opaque Block-Out Wallcovering. This SKU is certified for latex. It's an aqueous coated. PhotoTex has a solvent coated and an aqueous coated. Now, latex will print on either of them, and it'll print on either of them successfully, but latex is technically a water-based printer, and you do want to source out the water-based aqueous version if you have choices. That's true of any media. Solvent and aqueous options, choose the aqueous. But usually latex will work on the solvent if you make a mistake. Great product, incredible color pop. This is all over the walls of our demo center here. Widely used throughout the industry. It's a peel and stick. It has a great adhesive. PhotoTex has latex printers. They've known for a long time how successful this is, but we really wanted to get this on the media locator, get it certified, and have it available for our customers so we can have that nice big certified logo right there and be able to promote this for our wall covering options. Within the peel and stick category, PhotoTex is a very heavy hitter. Great product, has been for years. They have multiple SKUs. I like this opaque a lot. This is definitely something, the way their adhesives work, that I would have a fighting chance of putting it on the wall without goofing it up, because it's repositionable, and once you really commit to it, everything stays down. We have it throughout the walls here in our demo facility at HP. It looks fantastic. So this is the PhotoTex Opaque Block-Out Wall Covering. It's certified for latex. I'd highly recommend it, but most of you probably already know that it's a really great product. Walter and his crew have been involved in this industry with this product for a long time. There are many imitators, but there's only one PhotoTex.